Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to use the Auto Color Match feature in Canva. This is a great way to keep our designs consistent and visually appealing by using the right color combinations. Let's get started. On our Canva dashboard, we already have a project open, and as we can see, it has several different colors. If we want to match all the colors in our design, all we need to do is pick the color we like the most and want to apply across the other elements. Once we have selected the right color with our element, like this one here, we simply click the paint roller icon in the upper part of the toolbar. This is the Copy Style tool. All we need to do is copy the style once the roller appears. Then we just click the element we want to match. As we can see, it is already changing the colors. This technique helps us match colors from images, elements, or brand patterns using Canva's color picker and style tools. It keeps our designs looking cohesive and professional, and aligned with our brand identity. If we want to copy the style again, we just click the element, click the paint roller, and then click the shape we want to match. As we can see, it is matching all our shapes and elements across the design. Now everything looks much more elegant, polished, and easy on the eye. And that's how we color match in Canva. With this simple method, we can create more balanced and professional looking designs.